Since its inception in 1965, Benicia, California-based Dunlop Manufacturing has manufactured world-class electronic instrumental accessories for the music industry. Dunlop Manufacturing consistently creates best-selling picks and analog electronics and carries a large line of accessories that set industry standards in their respective fields.
We make guitar picks, capos, electronic effects, strings, guitar slides. We also have a line of band accessories that we manufacture.
As a trusted creator of the most important tools in the music industry, no other accessory manufacturer comes close in terms of quality, innovation, or scope to Dunlop's extensive line of products. The company's commitment to excellence and passion for innovation has awarded them partnerships with legendary superstars like ZZ Top, Slash, Steve Stevens, and Lenny Kravitz. These musicians are just some of the artists who proudly use Dunlop's products to perfect their own craft. As Dunlop's product line evolved and gained popularity, the company recognized that they were in need of a manufacturing software program that could efficiently handle a high volume of transactions while helping deliver customer orders on time and error-free. Additionally, they wanted a solution that would integrate all departments of their business and support rapid company growth.
We were on another platform and we felt restricted because our business is really transaction heavy. As a manufacturer of guitar picks, we make a lot of small items. We picked Syspro because not only was it fast, we found that our MRP ran a lot faster, but it also could handle large amounts of data. The biggest difference, I think, in this software was that it made communication better. It's easier to use. People can just log in and get answers more quickly. One nice thing that we did when we brought in Syspro is we brought in the product configurator. We manufacture a lot of custom imprinted picks, and it's important to have the right signature or picture or some creative element on the correct pick in the correct color and the correct gauge. And it was difficult to pass that information from the customer through sales into the shop and out to the worker to get them to put the right emblem on the right pick in the right orientation. We found that sometimes that was upside down or to the side, and it would get shipped to the customer and they would be unhappy. But what we were able to do is set up the product configurator, have them attach the art so that it prints out on the work order, and the person who's actually doing the work can see what it's supposed to look like. And now we virtually have no errors. That was a really big win for us. What Syspro's been is a great tool that has helped bring everyone together so that we're all working off the same data, and it's easy to get.